Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you step by step how to create your worker account on Gainworkers so you can start making money online. To get started, search for Gainworkers and click on the first search result to head over to the official website. On the home page, you'll see two main options: Start Earning and Post Work. Since this tutorial is for anyone looking to complete tasks and earn money, we're going to click Start Earning. This brings you straight to the registration form. Enter your first name and last name. Gender and company fields are optional, so you can fill them in or skip them. Input your date of birth. Choose a unique username, enter a valid email address, and create a strong password, then confirm it. Finally, enter your home address, agree to the terms and conditions, and click Register. Once you hit Register, check your email inbox for a verification code. Simply copy that code, paste it into the box on screen, and click Verify to secure your account. Next, enter your phone number to complete your account setup and click Save. And you're in. You'll be redirected straight to your dashboard. Here, you can keep track of your total wallet earnings, review all your recent payout transactions, and browse through all available tasks ready for you to complete. Your account is officially ready. Head over to Gainworkers, set up your profile, and start completing tasks to earn today. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comments below. Happy earning!